Ever wonder what's lurking deep inside the Amazon rainforest? This massive jungle, often called the lungs of our planet, is home to millions of species, many of which are so bizarre they seem straight out of a fantasy novel. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Amazon to uncover some of the most unbelievable creatures that actually exist. Get ready, because you're about to meet a cast of characters that will challenge everything you thought you knew about the animal kingdom. First up, let's talk about a creature that adds a splash of color to the Amazon's rivers. The pink river dolphin. Yes, you heard that right, a pink dolphin. These incredible animals are born gray and gradually turn pink as they get older, with males often becoming the most vibrant. It's like they blush with age. They are incredibly intelligent and social, navigating the murky river waters with an elegance that's truly mesmerizing. Seeing one in the wild is a magical experience, a reminder of the sheer wonder hidden within the rainforest's waterways. Now, from something beautiful to something downright terrifying. Lurking in those same waters is the green anaconda, one of the largest and heaviest snakes in the world. These giants can grow over 20 feet long and weigh more than 500 pounds. They aren't venomous, but they don't need to be. Anacondas are constrictors, wrapping their muscular bodies around their prey and squeezing until it's subdued. They can take down large animals like caimans and even jaguars. Imagine coming face to face with a snake that big. It's the stuff of legends, but for the Amazon, it's just another Tuesday. Speaking of legends, let's shrink things down a bit, but don't let their size fool you. The poison dart frog is one of the most vibrant and deadly creatures you could ever encounter. These tiny amphibians, often no bigger than your thumbnail, come in a dazzling array of colors: blue, yellow, red, green, as a warning to predators. Their skin secretes a potent toxin so powerful that in some species, a single frog carries enough poison to kill 10 adult humans. Indigenous tribes have historically used this poison for their blowgun darts, which is how the frog got its name. It's a classic case of look, but definitely don't touch. If you're not a fan of creepy crawlies, you might want to brace yourself for this next one. The giant Amazonian centipede is a true nightmare. These multi-legged predators can grow over a foot long. That's 12 inches of pure nope. They are aggressive hunters, using their venomous claws to take down prey much larger than themselves, including lizards, frogs, mice, and even bats. Yes, they can climb cave walls to catch bats mid-flight. They move with an unsettling speed, and finding one in your hiking boot would be a very, very bad day. Let's get back in the water, but be careful where you swim. The electric eel isn't actually an eel, but a type of knifefish, and it has a shocking secret. It can generate powerful electric shocks of up to 600 volts. That's 5 times the voltage of a standard US wall socket. They use these shocks for both hunting and self-defense. A jolt from one of these can stun a person and, in some cases, cause heart failure, making them one of the most dangerous fish in the Amazon. It's nature's very own taser, and you do not want to be on the receiving end. But not everything in the Amazon is trying to poison, squeeze, or shock you. Some creatures are simply masters of disguise. Take the glass frog, for example. From above, it looks like a typical green tree frog. But flip it over, and you'll be amazed. Its belly skin is completely transparent, giving you a clear view of its internal organs, its heart beating, its digestive system at work. Everything. This incredible transparency helps them camouflage against leaves, making them nearly invisible to predators from below. It's a biological marvel, a living window into the inner workings of life. Now let's talk about pain. If you had to rank the most painful insect stings in the world, the bullet ant would take the top spot. Its sting is described as being so excruciatingly painful that it feels like being shot with a bullet, hence the name. The intense, throbbing pain can last for a full 24 hours. Some indigenous tribes use these stings as part of intense initiation rituals for young men. It's a powerful reminder that even the smallest creatures in the Amazon demand the utmost respect. Looking up into the canopy, you might spot the king of the rainforest sky, the harpy eagle. This isn't your average bird of prey. Harpy eagles are massive, with talons the size of a grizzly bear's claws. They are so powerful they can hunt large prey like monkeys and sloths, snatching them right out of the trees. With a wingspan of over 6.5 feet, their presence is commanding. Seeing a harpy eagle in flight is like witnessing a living dinosaur, a powerful, majestic predator that rules the treetops. Down on the forest floor, you might encounter the Amazonian giant toad, also known as the cane toad. These amphibians are enormous, capable of weighing over 2 kilograms. Originally native to the Americas, they've become an invasive species in many parts of the world because they are so hardy and have a voracious appetite. They'll eat almost anything they can fit in their mouths, including insects, small reptiles, and even pet food if they wander into urban areas. Their skin also contains a powerful toxin to deter predators. The Amazon is also home to some of the world's most fascinating social insects, like leafcutter ants. These ants don't actually eat the leaves they so diligently carry back to their nests. Instead, they use the leaves as a substrate to farm a special type of fungus. That's right, they are farmers. They cultivate their fungus gardens underground in massive colonies that can house millions of ants. It's one of the most complex examples of symbiosis in the animal kingdom, a tiny agricultural society thriving beneath the forest floor. When you think of Amazonian fish, one name always comes to mind: piranha. Famed for their razor-sharp teeth and supposed feeding frenzies, piranhas have a fearsome reputation. While the stories are often exaggerated, they are indeed efficient predators. They often hunt in coordinated groups, using their powerful jaws to tear flesh from their prey. While they typically scavenge or prey on other fish, they are a key part of the river's ecosystem. No list of Amazonian creatures would be complete without mentioning the top predator of the rainforest, the jaguar. This magnificent big cat is a powerhouse. Its bite is the strongest of any feline, powerful enough to crush the shells of turtles and the skulls of caimans. Unlike most cats, jaguars are excellent swimmers and are very comfortable in the water, often hunting along riverbanks. They are solitary and elusive, masters of stealth that move silently through the dense undergrowth, the true ghosts of the jungle. Let us look at a bird that seems to be a throwback to a prehistoric era: the hoatzin. This bizarre bird is sometimes called the stink bird because of its unpleasant, manure-like odor, which comes from its unique digestive system. But the weirdest thing about the hoatzin is its chicks. Baby hoatzins have 2 claws on each wing, much like ancient dinosaurs such as the Archaeopteryx. They use these claws to climb through trees before they can fly properly. It's a living link to the distant past, right in the heart of the Amazon. Back in the water we find the candiru, or the vampire fish. This tiny parasitic catfish is one of the most feared creatures in the Amazon, and for good reason. It's drawn to the ammonia released from the gills of larger fish. It swims inside, latches on with sharp spines, and feeds on the host's blood. The kangaroo has gained a particularly notorious reputation due to unverified tales of it swimming into the urethras of humans urinating in the river. Whether those stories are true or not, it's a terrifying parasite you'd want to avoid at all costs. Another master of camouflage is the Amazonian tree boa. These snakes come in a variety of bright colors and patterns, from yellow to orange and red, which you'd think would make them stand out. But in the dappled light of the rainforest canopy, their patterns allow them to blend in perfectly with the leaves and branches, making them nearly impossible to spot until it's too late for their prey. One of the most charismatic and social animals in the Amazon is the giant otter. These otters can grow up to 6 feet long and live in large, cooperative family groups. They are formidable predators, hunting fish, crabs, and even small caimans. They communicate with a wide range of vocalizations and are known for their playful nature. Watching a family of giant otters hunt and play together is a truly special sight, showcasing the strong social bonds that exist even among apex predators. From giant otters to giant spiders. The Amazon is home to some of the largest spiders in the world, including the Goliath bird-eater tarantula. But it's not just their size that's impressive. It's their silk. By weight, some Amazonian spider silk is stronger than steel. This incredible material is used to build intricate webs, wrap prey, and protect their young. Scientists are studying this silk, hoping to replicate its properties for everything from medical sutures to bulletproof vests. The diversity of life in the Amazon is truly mind-boggling, and we've only scratched the surface. From butterflies that drink the tears of turtles for salt, to the basilisk lizard that can literally run on the surface of water, the Amazon is a world of constant surprise. Every creature has developed a unique strategy to survive in this complex and competitive environment. It's a living laboratory of evolution, full of secrets still waiting to be discovered. This incredible biodiversity is why it's so critical that we protect the Amazon rainforest for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the Amazon. If you were amazed by these creatures, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our planet. What Amazon creature do you find the most unbelievable? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.